Murray is going to run them into position. Sliding, let's check that spot if it's at a first down. A little bit short, so you spike it. Now you have to kick. And tie this up with 22 seconds remaining. It's up there. It's out there.
Unreal.
And it's no good in the direction he had trouble with before the game.
Eagles fans, let's show everybody how it feels to be the only undefeated team in the NFL. For real, bro. Man, y'all barely squeaked by. If Tyler Murray had gotten that first down instead of sliding too soon, they's about to put their foot in y'all ass. If was a fifth, we'd be all fucked up. Yo, ain't nobody trying to hear that, man. We 5-0. 5-0. Y'all caught another break on that clown-ass kicker the Cardinals got. Ain't he supposed to be a pro? How you gonna miss a chip shot like that? Man, you don't know shit about football. Yesterday's game was a trap game. A trap game is the game you play before you play a bigger game. Most teams concentrate so much on the big game, they don't prepare properly for the game prior. Most teams lose their trap game. The Eagles didn't. People say, is it better to be lucky or good? Eagles, we're both. Your sucker ass got an excuse for everything, but you about to run out of excuses. That's right. Dallas up next week, and they gonna put it on y'all. Michael Parsons. Yes, Michael Parsons. You can't stop him. You can only hope to contain him. Talking about he the next Lawrence Taylor. Ain't no next Lawrence Taylor. Young boy's good, but he ain't no LT. All I know is the Cowboys are 4-1 without Dak. Wait till he come back. Y'all bitches are in trouble. Man, fuck Dak Prescott. What he ever won? He couldn't even win in the SEC. Fuck out of here. The brother is 7-3 against y'all. Y'all better hope he ain't ready to come back next week. Oh, I didn't know that. But so what? Ain't nobody scared of that. I hope he is ready to play. Say it with your chest, chump. Say it with your chest.